I walk the line between give and take, chasing peace for my own sake. The scales keep shifting, light and gray.